morning, but it's early afternoon now, so good afternoon. Today has been such a great start to the day, but for the rest of the day, we're gonna be meal planning and prepping and grocery shopping, cleaning out the fridge, doing all that kind of stuff. I'm so excited. I know we're at the tail end of summer, but I'm really excited to just incorporate more crock pot recipes and yeah, just kind of settle into the rhythm of meal planning again. This summer was so crazy. As you know, I finished writing my book this summer. And so last week's, if you watched my last What I Eat in a Week, I've been wanting to just try out new recipes. I just didn't like a lot of the recipes. But I will say I did try. So I'm proud of myself. I tried the recipes. I wanted to branch out and I did. And if you saw the video, you know, I can't even speak about it. They weren't bad, but I just didn't love them. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try to redeem ourselves. That's what I'm trying to say. And this week, today, we are gonna meal plan. I'm gonna bring back some of those good old-fashioned, delicious recipes that I know and love and that are delicious beyond a shadow of a doubt. Taking care of ourselves just in every way, you know, walking with God, going on a walk, literally moving our body, all those things, and it makes a huge difference because our days really do make up our lives. And so a lot of times we think of like change, it takes forever or it's really daunting and it just feels really big, and change doesn't take months or years. It just takes a decision, and it just takes, that's really all that it takes. We see the results of that change later, but change itself, it just takes a decision, and it can be really a simple one at that, because the smallest things that we do can really have the deepest and biggest impact. So, and if only we'll just have the patience, then we will see the result of that change in time, because we will reap what we sow. It's just the way that nature works. It's just how our creator made it. So we know that to be true, and we can rest in that. We don't need to freak out, worry, or get discouraged or give up if we're not seeing changes, because we will see them. We will. It's a guarantee. But without further ado, let's get into our meal planning. Also, I just noticed this one hair has been sticking out, which I don't know why. I blow dried my hair. I should have just kept my hair down. See, look at this hair. What is happening?
You're still shaking, I'm barely moving at all. Green lines cut through a black screen, tells you I'm fine. You're Gwyneth Paltrow, I'm Richie Tannenbaum. I cut my hair off, you like me either way. And every summer, it's gonna be the same. Going back to Telluride, riding around with nothing on, staying at your parents' house.
All right, so just finished meal planning. Here's what we're working with. We'll go over this in a second. Drinking an Adrenal cocktail right now. This tastes like an orange creamsicle. It's so good. It's just great at keeping your blood sugar stable. Gives you super easily digestible carbs with the orange juice. Just your minerals basically with the salt and the orange juice. And then you have the collagen, which is your protein. So it's just great at, you know, giving you basically a little nutrient boost, because you get your carbs, protein, and your micronutrients, your vitamins, and your minerals. So it's really good, and it's super yummy, and it literally tastes like an orange creamsicle in a cup. It's so good. So have that, sipping on that, and then this is what our weekly meal plan looks like. So we're gonna do, so technically we're actually on, where are we today? Friday. We are gonna do the Greek lemon soup. And I looked up how to say it, and I think it's Avgolemono Soup? Avgolemono? I don't know. I feel like how I'm saying it is wrong, and the way that they say it online is so beautiful, and I just can't say it right. But anyway, so we're doing that, which is this absolutely amazing soup. I've been craving that and I haven't had it for months. So we're gonna make that tonight, and then it's very refreshing. And then tomorrow we're gonna do some crock-pot lemon garlic chicken and sweet potato. And I already have chicken thighs, so I just got those out, and I'm gonna put them back in the fridge, but I'm gonna just frost those for tomorrow so that we can put those in the crock pot. And then we are gonna do these Greek chicken bowls. They are, that, as you saw in that recipe book, The Cook Once, Eat All Week. That's such a great recipe book, but we're gonna do that tomorrow. Those are so good. The tzatziki sauce is unreal. And then we are gonna do curry chicken bowls. I figured if I was gonna buy chicken, that I might as well just kind of make the most of it. Then we'll do burrito bowls for this night with a delicious, I should have actually written that down. Let me write that down. Avocado, I guess like cilantro sauce, I guess we'll call it. But we're gonna do that, which will be very delicious. And then this night, I'm not sure if I don't know. I just wrote it down because I have the stuff to make pizza, and I have basil and mozzarella, and I'm not really sure if I want to do that or if I want to do our shrimp bowls. So I just put them both kind of as options, but we are going to make the shepherd's pie because when I looked, what I do is I usually check what we have in the pantry. So this one kind of got converted to, as you can see, we have all of our element in here, Symbiotica stuff, and just like a bunch of random things. So that's the thing. We have so many little golden baby potatoes that I want to cook up the shepherd's pie. So I think we're going to do that. And this is kind of like our little pantry. So I have a lot of gold potatoes, and we have there's just a lot in here. There's just a bunch of random stuff. So I want to make that. So what I do is I check to see what we have. And because we already have golden potatoes, I decided, you know what, we need to use those up. So I'm going to make the shepherd's pie, and that's great because this is really good for leftovers. So that is the overview of our meal plan. And here's our list of what we need. And let's go grocery shopping. Time to do a huge grocery haul. We're going to do it this way because there's so much to show you, and I need to get this all in the fridge very soon and start making dinner. So let's start off at the farmer's market. We got all of our fresh herbs. We have basil, cilantro, fresh dill, and parsley. Lots of fresh strawberries. I think we're getting near the end of strawberry season, so I picked up a whole flat of these because I'm so sad that they're going to be going away soon. And then we have our carrots, garlic, and avocado. They actually had sweet corn, which I don't usually get corn, but she was just putting these out and it looked so good. And the recipe that I found for the salmon had a sweet corn and mango salsa, or I'm sorry, not mango, peach. And they had peaches and corn right next to each other. And I thought, okay, this couldn't even be more perfect. So I'm gonna make that with the salmon bowls. And then we have our cucumbers for the Greek salad bowls that we're gonna make. And then tomatoes. I'm going to try to make this delicious tomato vegetable soup just and have that on hand for like lunch and stuff. So we have that. Our frozen peas. Oh, we have cherry tomatoes. These are so good and amazing for making sauce. We're going to use this in the shepherd's pie. We have our eggs. My favorite, I had to get a 7 teas so I can sip on this while I'm putting everything else away. And then this is so good. This Mountain Valley, if you ever see this white peach flavor, it is so refreshing and delicious. And then I picked up some active dry yeast because I want to make that pizza later this week. And then we have some grass-fed beef. This yogurt is so good. This, I think you say it's skyr. I think is how you say it, but it's super high protein and it is delicious. It's like a less intense version of a Greek yogurt, but it's still really high protein. I love it. Then we have our grass-fed milk. We got some more collagen at Trader Joe's and some turkey, so we can make some lunches. We have our bell peppers, which we're gonna use that for a couple recipes this week. Oysters, super high in zinc. This is like nature's multivitamin, but it's just in a very bioavailable form. There is no food that is higher in zinc than oysters, and zinc is very important for our metabolic health. So we got our oysters. These acerola cherry shots, I always pick this up at Trader Joe's because this is such a great way to get a whole food form of vitamin C. And don't forget that we need vitamin C to synthesize collagen. So get your vitamin C. So this is a really fun way to get that. And then we have some fresh ginger and some orange juice. This is really good. And they actually had fresh rock fish, which I think will be a great, I wasn't planning on this, but either I'll freeze this or I might just make it tomorrow for dinner. I don't know, it'll just be so quick and easy, such a good protein, and it was a really good price. Then we got our chicken for all, that's gonna be our protein pretty much for this week, and for our soup and our bowls and everything like that. And then Bo really wanted to get some chips and salsa, so got some blue corn tortilla chips with this salsa and this salsa. So, and then we did pick up some bananas. So that is what we got from the grocery store and the farmer's market. So it's time to put all this away. Oh, and I cannot even forget these beautiful flowers.
Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and now we gotta keep it up. Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain, yeah, so ambivalent? When it's time with you, it's so innocent. Blue sky on the back of a Pegasus. Now we could go and dance with the lavender. Supernovas blow up, gotta get a hose up, even if I host up. Don't let me steal your thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you was fine. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you was fine. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up.
I absolutely adore this soup. Did you move so that you don't have to eat? Oh, honey, you can eat.
My nose is runny.
Oh,
I ate two bowls in like 3 minutes. Really good.
love this soup. You have to try it. The only thing that would make this soup better is if you click thumbs up, but that's just pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for hanging out with me. It was so fun. What a perfect way to end the day. I think I'm gonna chop up a peach, put a little raw honey on there and some bee pollen, and just call it a night. So that'll be dessert tonight. I'm so excited to have these peaches from the farm. So I love you so much. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't steal a thunder. Wake